what we're looking at is we're going to have a bit of argy-bargy, and we're going to shove hard on his shoulder. And the reason we're going to do that is to expose a greater surface area of jaw, so that we can then clean him through. And what you'll also notice is by shoving hard on his shoulder, I've turned his hips sideways. Do you see? Front hips will always beat side hips. Now I've got this, you know, I could wrestle him out of a room really easy. I could throw him really easy. I could just keep punching him in the head really easy. You know, all of these options are quite simple. If I didn't push him, if I didn't get that turn, I'm going to be fighting. He's got 2 weapons on me. I've got 2 weapons on him. Soon as I start the affray with blah, that weapon is useless. This weapon is kind of useless. I can now put my power shot right through him. So what I want you to work with, I want you to work with doing it from interview. So from conversation, shove, hit. I want you to do it from him advancing on you. Shove, hit. Does that make sense? I want you to get used to everything being from sneaky, from here, blah, blah, and from stupid, where he's coming at you. Fuck, bang.
If anything, they're coming at you with
Think of it just like a modified jab cross.
Yeah.
No point you having a flippant jab here, no point you're going to get a fistful of teeth, not going to happen. You know, your probing jab that you'll get away with in your sparring, it just comes to good join us, buddy. So what we're looking at is best ways to knock this bloke out. And one of the easiest ways to access the biggest and safest part of his jaw is to put in a solid shove on that shoulder. That trades 1 inch of chin for 4 inches of jaw, and then we can crack down the pipe. That's what we're looking at here. Nice and simple, nothing too crazy, and we're going to practice it from the fence, for want of a better phrase. Conversation, it gets more irate. I've decided I need to do it, as opposed to just immediately lamping here and having some of the risk associated with that. Bang! Just that short, sharp shove. Bear in mind on the shove as well, I'm trying to wing him. I'm trying to get the tip of that shoulder. If I go too much to the meat of his chest, he ain't going to turn.
It's not going to spin him.
Yeah, I need to wing him and then crack him through. And the whole point is in slow time. Because I've done this now, think of this is the maximum range of motion. Do you see?
Yeah.
So if I want to wibble his brain, if I want to knock him out, turning him this side on, when I crack him, he's got such great arc of motion for that brain to be shook. So much more than just being hit right in the pipe. Make sense? Think about how easy your brain swivels. If you do that left, right, how fast can you do that? Pretty fast, isn't it? You can go so fast it actually makes you feel a bit sick. If you just put your chin to your chest, you can't go that fast. You know, if you think of a shot here, you watch Rocky 3, it's not going to happen. So what we're looking at, wing him with a shove, bang, fire that shot in.
Yep.
From static, from the fence, and from him walking in. Getting partners, give it up.